with Tina's Inspired Art. Welcome to my channel today. We're going to be working on a, let's see, this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas today. It's a gallery wrapped canvas, and yeah, I purchased these at Michael's. And let's see, we're going to be doing a Dutch pour today. And we're going to be doing my signature style after we do the Dutch pour. But I think this is going to be a design, well, I have in my mind a design that I have not yet done. I want to see if I can achieve what I see in my mind. So I'm going to try to put it out on the canvas and hope for the best, but hopefully it'll turn out really pretty and you guys can see how I do it. So today our Dutch pour is going to start off with flooding my canvas with my PPG house interior paint. I buy this house interior paint at my local Home Depot. That's where I get it at. And I'll go through my color palette for today. I've got a Prussian blue from Liquitex. This is a chameleon blue from Got Ideal brand. Got this off of Amazon, thought I'd try it. I've done a couple other pours and so far I'm liking the results. This one is, let me see, which one was this? Yeah, this is the same brand. It's the Got Ideal brand. It's a pearl sapphire blue. So that's a really pretty blue as well. This is my, this is the Pebeo Studio Acrylics. This is the iridescent blue. And then this is the Arteza Shocking Lime Green. That's my color palette for today. These 5 colors. I think they're going to look quite pretty together. And yeah, I think I will cover my canvas, cover my sides, pop my bubbles, and then we'll come back and we'll start layering my paints in the design that I have in mind for today. So yeah, looking forward to this one, guys. Stick with me. I think she's going to be a beauty. All right, guys, I'm back. I covered my canvas with my base interior paint. And I covered the sides, and now I'm just catching the last few bubbles that I see surfacing. We want to make sure that we catch those so we don't get pinholes in our paintings. They will dry with little pinholes, so we want to make sure we get those. There's another little one there. But yeah, I think we're about ready to do this pretty pour. So hang with me, guys. All right, I've got my layout all planned out. I forgot to push play on this one, but I've layered my colors on my design, and now it's time to blow this out. actually see a clump, so I want to get that right away. Pull that out of there. Very good. That was not a problem. All right, so quite interesting blowout. I think I can make it work though. I was trying to do some overlapping, kind of intertwining of these viney like things. So we'll see if I can manipulate this a little bit better. Not quite sure I liked it, but I may be able to fix it and make it look right. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing my signature style on this piece to see if we can't play with it and make it look really good. So continue to join me, guys, and we'll wait till the end to see how this beauty came out. But I do believe that the colors look really good together. All right, so for my signature style piece, I'm gonna start, where do I start? Funny. Let's start here. My rag. As the fun begins. Blow out a little bit. Just a I feel like there's a lot of paint on this canvas today. How am I going to do this? It's going to take a while for me to do this, but you can still watch it. I'm going to put you on fast mode through this piece of it. Hey everyone, I'm back with this one. We just finished. Did my signature style and I think the colors really work well together. The design looks very pretty. I did do just a little focal point right there. I kind of wish I didn't do it now that I'm looking at it, but I mean, it still does look pretty. Yeah, I think she came out really nice. Something unique, something different. Let me zoom you in closer so you can see the details. She's gonna shimmer. That's so cool, the way that looks. Really pretty. Yep, I'll be posting this one on my website probably within the next week. Sharing it on social media. You can check me out at Tina's Inspired Art. My website is www.tinasinspiredart.com. Thanks again for joining me, guys. I really appreciate all your support. If you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. Loving how this one came out. She's super pretty. All right, guys, that's it for me. Have a beautiful evening. Bye.